Hey guys, we're here today to install this dog bone mount insert. Now what this will do is this will stiffen up the drivetrain to help more power get to the wheels. Shouldn't be too hard. Think just a couple of bolts. We slide this in there and get it done. So let's not waste any time. Let's get it in.
In we go with the comically large breaker bar. That is lefty, right? Yep, I think so. Whew. And now for the not as brake breaker bar, so we can hopefully get some untightening action in here. I love in the DIY videos, it takes them 10 seconds to remove a bolt, yet I somehow get stuck with the one that takes 20 minutes to get to. Why does that keep happening to me? Even now it's getting slightly stuck. Good night. I know this is slightly older bushing than they were showing, but finally got it. Okay, now we gotta get this one and this one. Back with the comically large breaker bar. That's why we do that. That broke a lot easier. Ooh. And of course, you're right above my head. Okay. That should be much easier to get now. Now, the dude from ECS was literally standing right underneath this mount as he was taking it off, so it should be safe. But I'm off to the side, just in case. Save this one. Oh, that's the dog bone mount. Ow. Gotta remove that to put the new mount in. Ooh. So here comes the messy part. Gotta get grease all up on this to slide it up in there. Ooh, it's gonna be fun. Let's just, yeah. Get all up on there. Greasy, greasy. Okay, out of the way. All right, closely in. Let's get a rubber mallet and finish that off. Rubber mallet, rubber mallet. All hail rubber mallet. I think that's in. Yes, I think that's in. Fun times, fun times, fun times. Okay. This is supposed to go back in there. Rubber mallets, saving the day. This one. So the kit from ECS also comes with a new stretch bolt, a centering washer right here in the middle, and just a huge washer to go over top to flatten everything in. And then get it all situated. Centering washer on top. Start it. I believe this is a 22mm bolt. Okay. So round and round we go. Where it stops, nobody knows. All right, let's see what's going on in here. Looks like it's just not back. So these, that was a mistake. That's okay. Now this should be able to screw. That looks a little bit better, actually. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, so since this is an engine mount, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually torque this all down to spec. I know tight is tight, but I don't want anything happening. So the two bolts up here are 30 foot-pounds. This one is 74 foot-pounds with a 90-degree turn. So let's get these. $30. $30. Reset to 74. No, that's already at 74. Wowzers. All right, let's get the big breaker bar, do a 90-degree turn. Something tells me that that's fine. All right, guys. The dog bone mount insert is installed. Supposedly smoother shifts, we'll be the judge of that. Watch the Bud Dyna Report video on this insert if you really want to see how well it does and get a little bit of review on it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.